period of time, has a very good experience. He is Asaf Chusa. Asaf Chusa. Yes, so he's a Web3 developer. He's going to be working with FIS today, the session today, so that you can understand better. Today we are going to go deep into what is interoperability between blockchains. So you understand more what is chain fusion, what does it do, how to do with it. You will see some of use cases on that topic. So I hope your session today is going to be productive. We are going to have, I think, a presentation today, which is an overview in the morning. I don't know, it depends on how they prepare their session. And but at 1 p.m. we're having lunch, and after lunch we continue doing our stuff. Right? So I hope you're going to have a very good day. Just enjoy it.
People here who like Rwanda, that's what we use in English, because there's some friends here who understand Rwanda. But since you're few, I prefer this method of starting working. So like I believe that we can work with each other. So start with myself. Asaf is my name, Chiusa. So don't get confused with that. 100 means Chiusa also. And as Mike said, I've been a developer for some days, and I'd like to know some of you. Just you can tell us your name and maybe a single fun fact about you, so that let's make this a conversation, because I'm not going to be like teaching or what. It's just moderating. So I want us to participate, co-work on this. Everyone gives an idea. Start moves. So I guess I'll pick random. Or someone wants to start. Random. So let's start with.
I'm from AU.
Emil.
Just imagine this one being.
Maybe we'll know about it. So another one. No one wants to step up, or I pick randomly again. You can.
Of Unela, Yansa chapter, and Fun 5 of me, PC. Just setting me on PC.
Choose a fun fact, PC.
Yeah, every day.
So what's your name again?
Yeah, they said pay.
It's going to be difficult for
Or
someone.
you just call me pay.
Pay.
Yeah, pay.
Spell
P-A-Y.
payments. Pay. Okay, good. Any other one?
I don't know what comes to myself.
No.
I'm just a curious person.
You made, I didn't get the name well.
Yes,
Kibogora. Kibogora Polytechnic.
No, I'm not coming from there, but just
No, the name is the same.
Yes.
Thank you. So, can go on.
Yes, my name is Promise Rakot. Fun fact about me is that unlike like other boys, I don't like football. Like I don't enjoy much football.
So today I wanted to ask that because I had many examples to think about the football. So if there's someone who's not into it, so I pass. So next.
My name is Shimini.
Chimi.
I'm Rwanda.
Yeah.
Fun fact about me, you don't like music.
Hmm?
You don't listen to music.
You don't like music?
Yeah.
We have something in common. But me, I'm not worse than you, I guess, but me too don't like talking music. So we go on the last two.
My name is San Rodrigue.
Sam.
Yeah.
Sam.
Sam, Chief.
And I'm a Rwandan. Fun fact about me, I tried to install Karenax and I spent 1 month without studying it even. I failed since.
You failed?
Yeah.
Now you return to Windows.
Yeah. To want.
We have something in common. So the last one is you.
So thank you. My name is Emmanuel Ashas. I'm Rwandan. I'm also a student from the University of Rwanda. You are assessed.
Okay.
So I hope
Fun
it's,
fact.
the fun facts I hope is to see some people which are in which dance in more, which sing more than songs. Yeah, it's the one. It's
Thank you. So, cheap guy.
Yeah.
Just a cheap guy. Okay. So I'm just a cheap guy. That's it, but the memes I so okay, now that we know each other. That's also pieces they say that's the developer relation of our community, that is the data. Mike and Son, I have some of it. Have no idea. You? Any other one? You? No idea about blockchain? Okay. So that means you have no blockchain dependencies installed. But I hope many of you have Node.js. So, anyone who have no idea about development? Doesn't know what software development is, doesn't know even how to write a single line of code in HTML. I guess there's no one.
Simplify. You are making it simple.
Yeah, he was looking at me like I was guessing, but hope no one else. Let's move on. So I will explain about the blockchain layer, and first of all, let's say about what maybe how we want to run around the money. I want to make some forward. So I'm going into that form and maybe see and
organized by the Fellows Partnership
but I don't think
National Cybersecurity Authority of Rwanda.
all of the
And we're honored to be your host. My name is Courage Zudwa. I am an
so if there's an
interpreter.
answer, I recommend it's like
I'm here hosting the
My name is Peace.
there's going to be someone.
I am a virtual assistant.
So instead of having being on the verge of losing the whole records of the because
So
one
today's
person owns
event,
it, so
we are
everyone
going to
else
talk about
owns
how the digital revolution has
and there we are so sick.
has transformed the way we
Yes.
work and connect.
So if
But
100 people
in this
have the same
transformation,
all the
we are
records,
also facing
There's
many
no
difficulties with our data
that's
privacy
what
and cybersecurity.
that's what
We think
and verify the threshold fields, we talk about this, but then now about this identities. So I've seen some new faces and I've seen some people who met in recent ICP hackathons or events. So now I'm not going to explain what identity is. So anyone here wants to tell us what identity is? But people with the swords can, you know. There's identity, anyone, because I've seen some here faces who were here before. Some people I didn't meet for the first time. So anyone who wants to volunteer about what internet identity is? Few words, it's not maybe explain the whole concept. Just maybe. Okay, let's make it into normal English. What's internet identity? Now, just guess. Figures. Just over. Next up here. So, this is threshold signing. This is what we use for ICP for now. But there's also some signing mechanisms. Here, this threshold has a way of maybe signing, making signatures. As you say, in the other signing group, it's just a way of confirming. What does the signature do? It's just confirm. You sign on the check because you confirm you want the job. You sign on a contract because you want to be part of the contract. So the signature is a verification. So this signing is just a verification. But we're going to make this something that we added. We have here three parts. We have ICP smart contracts. So some people here don't know what this smart contract means. Not have to let's make a base or something. Maybe who is going to be making the top of the agreement. So not going to pass it through out of the regulators. So take that as a smart contract. Anyone with a question on smart contract? Is it something to turn your mind, the brains upside down? But I think this is simple. You know the question? I have some. Why? Because the code is going to self-execute. So first of all, you check the condition. Do you know what condition you check first? for this example. So it will first check if the employer who's promising you money has the money in the wallet. And that money is locked. If he signs a contract, that money is no longer for you. So when your debts are met and the conditions are true, you really worked, maybe you're a developer, and maybe you made the necessary commits and everything that you have to do with the project you completed, the smart contract itself will connect to GitHub to see if you completed the project, and itself is going to send you money. So no more delays. Hey, my money, someone put money on money, you forgot me. Wait the next month, headache. Wait, the money is not yet available. The smart contract first checks, do this employer have the money? So for sending the contract, the money is already in the bank. And there is no, and that money you cannot withdraw. It's for the contract. The contract like gets it and you send it. And remember, no one's going to complain, because if we do that, we are maybe to our workers in ICP. No one, like ICP do not control everything. There are 1 million people that are looking at that same contract, and they have the records. It's not going to get lost. That's what it's about. AI is fine. It was smart contracts.
Yeah, also like smart contracts can benefit from AI.
No, AI can benefit from smart contracts. But you as a user. You know what? Something I did not say. Anything we interact so is done within our wallet. So everyone has a digital wallet. So, but as you maybe have internet identity, someone who installed the gate, let's say as a digital wallet. So everyone has a wallet here in this instance. And okay, when anything that is in your wallet, you own it. Any contract, you own it. So there is no central server that collects everything. Everyone has a copy. There have been recent claims, people saying AI is benefiting from us, it's learning from us. Yes, AI learns from us. So when you're using it, we are just training it, because sometimes it tells you a wrong thing, you correct it. You say, no, I want it this side. That's where you're training it to become better. So when you say you are satisfied, the AI knows, you're training your AI. And instead of them paying you because you're training the AI, now they are costing you money. So, and people are having concerns, it's having private information for some people. There's a lawyer who's suing OpenAI for some private information that was leaked. But when AI are on the smart contracts, are running as the smart contracts, so you can have an instance for AI to work, for it to make a request, for it to start responding to you as a smart contract. It means that at that time you own your AI. You don't training it on its own, on your own, but it's not, the information is going to go to somebody.
DFX is there, Node.js is there.
In the document shard, you can check if it's installed. There are commands where you
Check the version of it.
Be specific about Bitcoin, and that's what they have to do today. So it will be about Bitcoin, contract with Bitcoin with ICP. So how Bitcoin actually works with ICP? So that's what we will do today and see how money works. I think that's the doubtful. So think of trustless, like, do you know how you need to trust people? It's because people are doubtful. Yes, you can doubt people. Because some people may be good, some people may not be good. So the reason is this. So I've explained a lot about it. And I'm afraid if nobody can convince one.
If your scan is not working, try another scanner. Study on the scan, more option.
So I guess this workflow is enough. So it's just a method that we have named and given names by the name. So we have timers. I don't know if any of you had timers, but whenever you run a DFX project, you have these kind of timers. Maybe some of you may run them. So these timers are just basically a way the canisters can, you time them, you put their timer that makes it run or execute a piece of code. So we say the canisters or the smart contracts are self-executed. So you might tell them as a developer to run at different times. So you say maybe every 10 seconds we record, every 30 seconds we record. So these are the timers. Okay? And yeah, we could call this one. And we move on to front end. Write in TypeScript, Byte, React, and CSS. So I guess we can go on to this one because I'm not a good fan of front end because I'm very sucking at designing. So I might be the worst person to see designing. Whether it's in CSS, whether it's on Pencil, I cannot design even. I can't even draw one. I can't even draw a circle perfectly. So this terrorizes me as some of you have been being terrorized by math, so I'm also terrorized by the design. But people who like design can go and explore the designs, maybe get inspired. But the funny thing is that everything here is just kind of built in design. So we've been installing this ICSDK, we've been installing Node. So what we're going to do is clone the example DApp project. So as many of us here have Windows and have WSL installed, so we're going to try and install this by Windows arrow. So just, you not initialize CD project because I'm the one maybe who named the project. You can mkdeal yours and name it whatever you want. Your name or any other name. Or your favorite build. So you go on mkdeal at Fusion. So and clone the project. So you could also run your project if you don't have any other folder named examples. So this is just my way of initializing myself into the folder I run in projects. But you can also create yours if you want that. And the next thing we're going to do here is so I hope everyone has no error message in his command because this should be something. Okay, let's clone the record into this. Maybe first, and now I can clone. And here is it. Just copy this code here. And paste it. And this should start. Close it. It may take longer for you because I'm just using my private internet because this one is slow.
We are getting the internet issue.
And we want you to at least clone everything for the sake of declarations.
Yeah, the network is not stable, so it is taking longer to clone and also causing some errors. Network is quite cloning.
So what do you want to do for this instance?
So I can try to respond. And so prepare for the this hackathon as well, because you now advance, you know a lot of things, but what you need to do is just to start with this kind of the basic thing. Just open mind, how you can create a new project, how can you do your own project, how can you do a relationship, how can things like that. So I can thank you so much for today. Maybe I can call Mike to close today's sessions. Then they will give you another updates for the coming sessions. I think it will also be on Thursday, but Mike is going to explain on that and see if it can be really helpful for you. So thank you so much. See you again.
Thank you for today. I was a bit hard, and one thing that I can advise you is it is not a good thing for a developer to keep using these Windows thing. Better switch and you go to Linux.
Yeah.
That's the free advice. If you want to make any step in this career, please deal that Windows things and trade Linux. That is something that you need to do urgently. Yeah. And so now you saw how it kept being difficult for you to get in, jump in, just to write a few things. This was not meant to be that complicated, but just because of compatibility with the Windows and the ICP environment, that's what made it too complicated. But if you were to have Linux, it would be very fast and easy. So you better start switching. It will be okay. Another thing is, which is very weird. I tried on that one because the last time I had a problem with people. I don't know if they came from veterinary or any other fields which is not related to computer science. Then I said, maybe if I'm to add, maybe I feel like biography, you will just tell me that maybe I'm a medical student or something like, maybe, so that at least we shall know that you have nothing related to computer science. But now, surprisingly, I found someone in biography saying, Jesus is the Lord. Yes, I believe in Jesus is the Lord. I believe in him completely. But was that related to the session of today? Jesus is the King. Jesus loves you all. What was that? Is that anyhow related to this session? I have to believe that all of us, we are at least graduates or university students. That's what I believe.
Yeah.
So can we at least relate things and see if what you are doing and what's supposed to be done are related? At least. Can you do that?
Yeah.
So that was a bit of just really make it complicated, but so funny. So, but I hope this coming session will be good. Let's just meet Thursday. This Thursday we are having a session at Unipod, KIST.
KIST.
Yes, KIST at Muhabura building. That's where we'll be. That's what we'll be using, and please come as early as possible. I think it will be more fun. And what I'm expecting from you now, I think they gave you everything. Go and see if you can improve your canisters from what they gave you. And if you are able to improve it, and our dev approves it that you made improvement, I will give you certificates. I will. But I saw some people who were complaining on our Twitter that we don't give you certificate. You want certificate for what? What did you do? Just you attended. Then you went home empty-handed. So what do you want me to do? Actually, you want me to give you certificate for what? What did you do? For what? But at least if you are able to go, just use what they taught you and do something from you. Do something. Then you come and say, from what I learned, I managed to do this. I will at least see that maybe I can certify you and say this gentleman is able to develop smart contract on ICP because I will have a proof.
Yeah.
But without anything, how am I going to certify you? How? There is no way. It's don't complicate my life.
Yeah.
It's so easy. Yeah, and so I want to thank you and wish you a very good evening. Let's just meet Thursday. And if you don't mind, can we maybe... another thing. I want to believe that all of you are, I don't want to say Generation Z, but we are young people. So I know you post. Please, if you are posting on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, tag ICP Rwanda. Is that complicated? If you are posting anything related to blockchain or other things, please tag ICP Rwanda. I think that is not complicated.
already did.
And that is a contribution we are making to our community.
Yeah.
So, building a community is not my own task, it is ours, because we are all together building this community. So let's just keep building our community and see if it can grow and expand our network. So if you don't mind, maybe we shall have to come and take a group photo if you don't mind.